National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern LaSalle County and north central Illinois until 11:15 a.m. At 10:33 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Naplate to Henry and moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near LaSalle around 10:45 a.m. Serena and Peru around 10:50 a.m. Sheridan around 10:55 a.m. Mendota around 11:05 a.m. Leland and Earlville around 11:10 a.m. Other locations in the warning include Troy Grove. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Although one is not immediately likely, if a tornado is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety inside a sturdy structure, such as a basement or small interior room.